What's the 10% rule in rental investing? Well, let's talk about it. So, I had a client one time that explained this concept to me, and they're very much into rental investing, had invested in rental properties in California and in West Virginia. They might be looking in Ohio, a couple different places. So, I figured with so many people interested in rental investing, now I would explain to you what was explained to me. So this is the 10% rule, a simple way of knowing if an investment property is worth it. The 10% rule states that the gross rent incoming should be at least 10% of the purchase price. For example, if you're looking to buy a property for $100,000, then your gross rent incoming should ideally be at least $10,000 per year, which works out to about $834 a month. So why is this rule popular? Typically, when rents are at least 10% of the purchase price, it leaves enough buffer room to cover costs like maintenance, taxes, and other expenses. Besides that, if you're looking to turn a profit on your rental property investment, this rule makes it more likely that you're making enough of a return each year. Now, this is not always easy to achieve, but following the 10% rule, it can help you determine whether an investment property is worth your time and money. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this or if you are interested in rental properties. This is Stephanie Wells with Exit Riverbend Realty. You have a blessed day.